Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious Jamaican style curry goat. Stay tuned for the recipe. So here I have my goat that I have already started to season. I went in with some all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder. I have some chopped scallions, scotch bonnet pepper, onion. Gonna give this a good mix, and I'm gonna cover this and let this marinate overnight. Once you're ready to cook, you want to remove this from the fridge at least half an hour before it's time to cook. When it's about that time, I went in with some coconut oil, and I'm also going to toast off my curry powder. Jamaican people say we burn the curry. I'm also going to add some garlic just for flavor. I'm just going to toss this around for about few seconds and then add my goat meat. Once I've added the goat meat, I'm going to go ahead now and just try to just stir it around so all that, delicious toasted curry flavor is just embedded in all of this goodness. Once I've done this, I'm going to cover this and leave this for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat to just make sure get all the juices running out of this meat. Once I've done this, I'm gonna go ahead now and add some water to cover the meat, and then just gonna leave this to cook on. After it comes to a boil, I'm gonna turn my flame down and I'm gonna leave this to cook until it's real tender. Now, depending on your meat, so you have some meat that's really tough, but I think this took me about 2 hours to cook. I do like to cook my meat on really low flame so that it just cooks real slow, because I find that the flavor is just so much more better. Now, once your meat is, I would say, 3/4 of the way done, I'm gonna go ahead now and add all my seasonings. So here I have some chopped onions, I have some mixed peppers, you want to add some carrots, some more garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, you want to get some ginger in there, some thyme, and just give this a good mix and just leave this for about another half an hour. Now you can also add some potatoes if you want. It just enhances the flavor and also thickens the gravy. Just be careful of this piece of ginger, because more often than we want to admit it, we do go in and chomp down on that piece of ginger thinking say a meat. Also, I added some crushed pimento. As soon as I saw it there, I remember the pimento, and I know that I didn't mention it, so yeah, add some pimento as well. Now I serve this up with some rice and peas, some freshly made coleslaw, and I've had a struggle with little pear, but I find a few slices of the good old pear avocado and just serve this up. This was just such a nice, hearty, comforting meal, just so good. There you have it, guys, my delicious, quick and, well, I wouldn't say quick and easy, but definitely easy Jamaican style curry goat recipe. Don't forget to give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up and just press that share button that you see underneath the description, because it really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.